Yeah, g'day YouTube and everyone out there. So I'm just doing a explanation of how miscommunications and information for the verbal and the energy frequency through the electromagnetic body can cause problems and issues within communications between one individual to another individual. So what you do is when you actually you're creating your sound and you're speaking all the time, you're creating a vibration that you're using influence on of what you mean. So when you have fluctuations from your body that are different energy frequencies, sometimes they go erratic, sometimes they do other things like that. But if someone perceives the energy that you have and you're not controlling, and then they read the energy, then rather than listening to the verbal communication that you're trying to put across, then therefore that they will convince themselves already when they've felt the energy, and they'll convince their mind through their own subconscious belief of what they are actually believing through the energy frequency of what they're trying to read. Then that's what they're going to actually see, and it wouldn't matter exactly how you verbally try to explain stuff or anything like that. It's just that their subconscious will always listen to that one program, and that the conscious mind will always take that program and actually believe what they're creating themselves. So there's a lot of problems out there that happen with issues like this that puts a miscommunication barrier between energy and physical. So I had an experience the other day that woke me up 100% to this situation, and I could see exactly everything that was going on, and how when in such a heightened state of euphoria inside of reality at doing something yourself, like clubbing or anything like that, or out and experimenting with drugs or anything like that, then people's energy frequencies fluctuate in insane and rapid different sensations and alternating frequencies from themselves, as the drug itself is also creating a manipulated version of your own energy that isn't exactly your own energy. So but I thought I'd put something up. I haven't put anything up for ages. So if there's people out there that have had fucking fights and shit, you know, families that have had fights because of this reason, or friends or anything like that that have had fights because of this reason out there, that this can give you a better understanding to what everything really is when it happens like that. The problem is that the verbal command, the verbal saying that you actually mean is not actually heard by anyone, because the energy frequencies and the fluctuations that they're picking up is controlling of how they feel and running their energy frequencies themselves. So all they're doing is listen to the energy frequencies of what they're being manipulated with, and they don't hear those actual words. So they get themselves in a mindset of their own creation, and then convince themselves that is the situation that is really going on, and basically become stuck with that one ideology of that's exactly how it is, even if the other individuals have done nothing wrong in the beginning of it or anything like that themselves, but the other person has created and perceived what they see, and then they believed what they actually seen, even though it didn't exist to be there in the first place. So peace, love and respect. I hope you all had a wicked Merry Christmas. I appreciate all of the support that people have just been feeding in since I put up the little advert for the book. And I'll catch you in the new year, and I'll get something out there pretty quick in the new year. My whole devotion in this year is to help everyone once again. I'm going to get this book out there as soon as I can with my investor. Our whole mission is to change everything the way it is in this collective, so we can all come to a new understanding of enlightenment. And I really hope that when this book is put into this matrix code, that it